everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with a diamond painting unboxing. I just got this, and this is how it came in this little plastic sleeve. I got it on Amazon, so it came inside an Amazon box. And this is how it arrived, which is awesome. No damage, no problems. It has a weird word on here. Blexecky. What is that? Blexy? Blexexy? I don't know. Oh, let's see how it came out. Okay, it's got the plastic covering, not the paper, which is fine. Here's the drills. This is a full drill round. See, they all have the DMC number on them. They look really good. You know, I used to just groan when I'd look and I could see the moisture in the bags. I haven't had the problem with moisture that I had when I started. So this is exciting. They look good, nice flat backs, nice and shiny. Here's the tool kit, nice standard kit, green boat, bags, a pen with a single tip and a 3-tip, and pink wax. Everything you need to get started. Okay. Wow, this is pretty. Can you see that? It's of like a night scene with the, or maybe it's a day scene. Is that a sun or a moon? What do you think? That orange and yellow, that makes me think sun. But this is very pretty. I basically bought this so that I'd have enough to get free shipping. I wasn't really looking for a new diamond painting, but you know, find something new company. I've never bought from them before. Canvas is nice. It's got the plastic. Oh, it's super sticky. So I don't need to peel the clear plastic up like I do the paper. It's gonna lay flat. There's a couple dents you can see here where it was folded, but there's no river in the glue. It's not creased. The canvas is not creased. That's gonna lay flat. Not a problem. Even if it didn't lay perfectly flat, I would stick it between 2 pieces of cardboard and slide it under my bed, even just one day, and it will be flat as a pancake. So, I will put the picture up for you so you can see the full image. I really like the colors in this one. If you can see, there's like this beautiful bright orange and a dark ruby red and lots of blues. A lot of 310, of course. I will check all of the drills and make sure they're all still here. So you can look in the description of this video and see the link where I got it on Amazon, as well as whether all the drills are here. I want to say a little bit about the Facebook group. It's you know, we started just a year ago and it's well over 1,000 people. It's pretty awesome. It's just a nice group of ladies and some gentlemen in there as well. And who are just sweet and supportive. People post if they have an issue, they get answers. People post their projects and pictures of their progress, which I love to see. Also, there's a couple other Facebook groups that I'm very active in. One is a new hand-turned pen group called Hand Turned Heaven. And the other is the tray group, where they are still having Dan's 3D printed trays. He sells on Etsy. He's still having we're having weekly contests for new tray shapes that you haven't seen yet. And then a couple of them are picked every week to go up as a poll, and the winner gets made. Gets designed. So that's a little bit of a lengthy process, but this is how we decide which shape jumps to the top of the list. So all those links are in the description. Go check them out. Have some fun. If you're bored or have no one to talk to, check out these Facebook groups, because I'm never bored anymore. There is always someone, night or day, or day for me and night for them, somebody in Australia or China. There's somebody to talk to. So I really recommend it. But stay away from the weirdos. Although I gotta say, there's no weirdos in those groups. It's like the diamond painting ladies are the sweet people who crochet in their spare time and bake cookies, and just lovely people. Lovely. I'm so happy. So yeah, so this is the diamond painting. I'm very happy with it. It is a 40 by 40 full drill round. Not too big, not too small. And hey, you have a great day. Take care and happy diamond painting, everybody. Bye-bye. Baby's putting on her perfume.